My name is Peter Hauge Jensen. I'm a local Danish investor. I build software companies. So I built two software companies. One we exited on Nasdaq and another one we exited to a very large Norwegian IT company. And now I'm working on my third ventures, which is American based and really interesting with an AI and speech recognition and all that. Really cool. So I found ATLANT. I was actually introduced to the CEO of ATLANT, Maxime, with a mutual friend we have. We just had a short meeting, 1 hour maybe, and within that hour I was totally sold. I knew from the first maybe 10 or 15 minutes that I wanted to invest. When I invest, it's first and foremost, it's the team, and secondly, the product, the market. And when I met Maxime, he was just like really a guy you trust can execute a plan, and he had a very clear vision what he wanted and how he saw it. And I was very impressed by the fact that he already in a very early stage did a deal with NASA where he actually will have his product delivered into the space. So I think within the first 15 minutes I was really convinced that this is a company worth investigating, and I was investing in the first round. I was really convinced about by the company. When we look at the technology, one of the things I really loved about it is it shortened the time from you have like a version you want to create to you actually have a finished product. So that innovation time and that manufacturing time, the process from that will be shortened a lot by this product. In the way the world is right now, where we will see that technology is evolving so fast and innovation times have to be shorter and shorter, it is just so important that we have a product like the one ATLANT is actually distributing. So from that perspective, I think it's really important. So I met ATLANT obviously very early in the process, being the first external investor. And when I originally saw it, they were a part of DTU, Danish Technical University, and just sitting in some small rooms, a lot of people, really startup, so really cool from that angle. And the development they have until now, where they are you can actually see the lab behind me, is just so impressive. And being a part of that journey is really fulfilling. So I take a big pride in being a part of that. One of the things I really like being an investor in ATLANT is that we actually get this quarterly newspaper, it feels like a newspaper at least, but a brief from Maxime directly, and it's quite comprehensive. So you actually get a full insight what has happening during the last quarter, what is the targets going forward, what have been very good, but what have also been not so good. Very honest, and I really like that from an investor perspective, because you kind of feel you are part of the journey, and you also see, okay, so this happened and this is what we're working on. And I think that kind of involvement is so important when you are an investor and you kind of want to see where can I offer my help and support to the company. So this is something I, as an investor, really valued a lot.